Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
Carla's Kitchen CC food lovers, I'm here again guys with another video, and in this video guys I will be showing you how to make 2 potato side dishes, and these side dishes guys, they will take the spotlight. For the fondant potato, cut off ends of potato, stand potato on the end, and peel potato from top to bottom with a sharp knife to make each potato into a uniform cylinder. Then cut each cylinder into half crosswise to make 6 potato cylinders about 2 inches long. Place potatoes into a bowl of cold water for about 5 minutes to remove the starch from outside. Then you're going to use a piece of paper towel to pat dry the potatoes. Place a heavy oven-proof skillet such as a cast iron over high heat. Pour in oil. Heat oil until it shimmers slightly. Then place potatoes into the hot oil. Lower heat to medium-high and pan fry potatoes until brown for about 5 to 6 minutes. Season the potatoes with salt and black pepper and natural herb seasoning. Flip the potato onto the opposite end.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah.
While they are cooking, use a spoon or a paper towel to take out excess oil from the skillet. Then add 3 tablespoons of butter.
Repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Then pour chicken stock into skillet. At this point, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then transfer the skillets to the preheated oven and cook potatoes until they are tender and creamy inside for about 30 minutes. If the potatoes aren't tender, add 1/4 cup more stock and let it cook for 10 more minutes.
On yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
The second side dish is roasted lemon pepper potatoes. So now you will cut off the edge of the potato so they can lay flat. Cut in half lengthwise.
Living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down.
Rinse in a bowl of cold water to remove excess starch.
Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Pat dry on paper towel.
Living alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we're making this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove.
Season generously with black pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, and natural herb seasoning.
Caring about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move.
Preheat your oven at 400 degrees and bake the potatoes for 20 minutes. Carefully flip them over and let it stand for 10 minutes.
Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit.
Meanwhile, combine broth with ginger, lemon zest, and juice.
Any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Pour mixture over the potatoes.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just
Re-season the potatoes.
this ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta die to.
return the potatoes to the oven and roast them for 15 minutes.
So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute.
Ingredients, measurements, method, the link will be in the description box down below, guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. I truly appreciate you all, and to all my viewing public, I thank you guys so much, and to everyone who shared my videos, thank you guys so much. Thanks for all the thumbs up, guys. I truly appreciate you all. Thanks a lot.
Oh, just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody.
Wow, look at these, guys. These are great, eaten hot or fresh. But if for some reason you have not finished them all, they make the best homemade fries you'll ever eat. Just cut them up and fry in some olive oil until it's crispy. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Please remember, if you're new here, subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Share this video out. Thank you so much. Leave some comment down below. Take care, walk good, put God first, and I'll see you another time in another video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Any minute, going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need